This is why I use AeroGarden for sweet potato slips from Join Me in the Chaos. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is find some extra slips. In this case, I'm just getting ones that are sticking over. These are my buddy's sweet potatoes, and he said I could have some cuttings. So just got a few. And usually I like to look and make sure they have a little air root, little bumps next to the leaf. You already have cells that are ready to turn into roots right there. Speeds up the process if you see those. There should be enough. I should be able to get 9 slips or so off of those. And I'll show you what to do next. All right, so pretty simple process. You're gonna wanna prepare 2 nodes. The lower node, you're gonna clean the leaf off. I just clipped it. And then the upper node, you're just gonna separate it from the stem. And so that's enough to get a slip going. So this part right here is gonna go in the water. The bottom part's gonna go in the water. And you're gonna wanna make sure you trim off enough so that that lower node, the little air roots there, the little bumps, little pimple looking things, those are going to turn into roots. And then you can just position the leaf so that it gets some light. All right, same thing. Lower leaf off. Cut just above. Stick that in water. And this is what they look like after about 5 to 7 days. I can't remember exactly, but they root out very heavily just because of the way these things cycle the water every few minutes, just like most hydroponic systems, except this one acts like a waterfall, so it's almost like an aeroponic system. Anyway, thanks for joining me in the chaos.